Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go! We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going! Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere! Sound effects are all over the place! Let's talk about sound effects!